Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make some dry rub chicken wings. We've got some lovely flavours in there. We're going to make a nice dry rub mixture with several spices and the added secret that's going to make them really beautiful. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we need for this. Now, let's start off with our dry rub. Now, you can have a pre-made or pre-brought one if you want, but we're going to be using this one. So what we've got here is a teaspoon like that. This is kind of not a tiny teaspoon, that kind of size one, heaped. We're going to go here. You ready? These are all equal parts. Garlic powder, cumin, smoked paprika, celery salt, thyme, nutmeg, salt, pepper, and chili powder. What we're going to do is give that all a mix first, and then we've got a nice rub for our lovely wings. So very simply, you just need a bowl. In goes the celery salt, in goes the smoked paprika, in goes the cumin, in goes the garlic powder, in goes the thyme, in goes the salt and pepper, in goes the chili powder, and in goes the nutmeg. Let's give that a mix. Okay, so our spices are all mixed together nicely. We're now going to add flour, just plain flour. I've got like a tablespoon there, and then baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder, and again, it's like kind of 2 of those heaped on there. One more mix. Okay, so here's our chicken wings. They've been trimmed, so the wing tip has been taken off. I've got here about 1 kg. What we're going to do is grab our mixture, get it on there, get your hand in, mix them around. And I'm going to get a lot of questions, I'm sure, about the baking powder. And yeah, for sure, make sure you use baking powder, not baking soda. And what that does, it will kind of help the wings get a bit more crispy. Okay, let's go again. Final lot now. That's all our mixture in there. So we're going to pop these on a rack in your oven. If you put them just on a tray, any fats that come off them will stay with the chicken. So you want to put them on a rack so that they can drip down below and the fat can render out. They're going to go in for about 35 minutes at 250. They look fantastic. Okay, so could not be simpler. As you can see, I've got them on a tray here, on a rack, so something can catch it underneath, like I said. They're going to go in 35 minutes, about 250. I'll see you when they come out. Okay, there you go. Look at those. Absolutely wonderful. Now, when I said put them in the oven, I said 250. That's Fahrenheit. Celsius is about 120, 121. They're really lovely and crispy. They're juicy inside. Serving these with some ketchup and some mayo. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Hello and welcome to How to Cook Great Food. With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?